Good morning, everyone. We are here to present our project Smart Attendance and Communication System Revolutionizing Academic Administration.
Project focuses on creating a digital platform that streamlines attendance, improves communication, and strengthens coordination among students, mentors, faculty, and the H.O.D.
It's designed to replace outdated paper-based system with an efficient, transparent, and user-friendly web interface.
Let's begin by exploring the challenges we identified and how our system provides the right solution.
Slide 2.
In most institutions, attendance is still recorded manually, making it slow, error prone, and difficult to maintain.
Communication between H.O.Ds, mentors, and students is fragmented. Important updates don't reach everyone in time.
Students also face a lack of transparency as they can't always view their real-time attendance or leave status.
To solve these issues, we build a unified role-based digital platform that delivers real-time updates and ensures accuracy, smooth coordination among all users.
Slide 3.
Our system is built on a structured, role based architecture that ensures every user access only what's relevant to them.
There are four primary roles: the H.O.D, mentor, subject faculty, and student, each with specific tools and permissions.
The HOD oversee department activities may handle section and communication, subject faculty mark attendance, and students view records and apply for leaves.
The platform supports 20 predefined sections from A1 to B10, offering scalability and organized data flow.
Slide 4. The H.O.D dashboard provides a consolidated section-wise student list and a notification panel to broadcast updates instantly.
This enables centralized monitoring and ensures consistent communication across all sections.
The subject faculty dashboard allow attendance marking for periods 1 to 8 using color coding button, green for present, yellow for late, and red for absent.
This efficient interface simplifies data collections and ensures that all teaching staff stay informed through integrated notification.
Slide 5.
The mentor plays a key bridging role between students and faculty.
The student sheet lets mentors view and edit attendance records and export them in Excel or CSV format.
The latter application receive allow students to submit leave requests, delightly elimination manual paperwork.
Mentors can also communicate through the chat box for announcement and manage weekly schedules via the routines module, ensuring smooth academic coordination.
Slide 6.
For students, the dashboard provides complete transparency and accessibility.
They can view their daily and period-wise attendance in real time.
They can also submit digital leave requests, access mentor H.O.D announcements, and view the weekly timetable.
The empower students to stay informed, reduce manual errors, and make the entire system more efficient.
Slide 7.
From a technical practice, the system is web-based and structured with clear rule permission.
Attendance data is recorded date-wise and period-wise, while mentors maintain student records.
Reports can be exported in Excel or CSV formats, and graphical summaries visualize attendance percentages over time.
This makes tracking and analyzing attendance data both simple and insightfully.
Slide 8. In the first phase, we developed a working prototype using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
The prototype replicates all core functions from the role sections and login to dashboard navigation.
It includes attendance mark for mentors and subject faculty and also simulates notification, podcasting, and level submission.
The goal was to validate usability and functionality before the final coding and development stages.
Slide 9.
Our testing began with a small group of 8 participants, managers, teachers, and students.
They are asking to perform tasks like marking attendance or sending a leave request while describing their experience.
This process helped us identify confusing layouts and improve the system's user flow.
The feedback guided design changes and ensured that the system was user-friendly right from the start.
Slide 10.
In the next stage, we conducted large group testing with 50 diverse participants.
Completed various tasks and rated satisfaction and ease of use in a short survey.
The objective was to ensure adaptability and accepting among a broad user base.
The positive feedback confirmed that our system works well across departments and user categories.
Slide 11.
After testing, we collected and categorized feedback into positives, bugs, and improvement suggestions.
We identified common patterns and recurring issues to what needed fixing first.
Each suggestion led to small yet meaningful refinements in design and functionality.
This systematic approach helped us produce a polished, stable, and user-centric prototype.
Slide 12.
Looking to the future, our system can integrate AI-based facial recognition for automatic attendance.
And a dedicated mobile application will make real-time updates and offline access even easier.
In conclusion, the smart attendance and communication system brings together technology and education, creating a transparent, efficient, and intelligent academic environment. Thank you.